The production of the Kawasaki Ninja ZX-10R begins with premium raw materials. Steel and aluminum are prepared for precision manufacturing.
Laser systems cut frame tubes with millimeter precision. Each section matches Kawasaki engineering specifications.
Robotic welding creates the Superbike's lightweight chassis. Every joint is engineered for maximum strength. Advanced scanners verify frame alignment. Only perfectly measured frames continue to production. The chassis undergoes intensive surface preparation. Cleaning ensures perfect coating adhesion. A durable protective coating is applied. This finish protects the frame from corrosion.
Heat curing permanently bonds the coating. The chassis is now ready for assembly.
Engine manufacturing begins with aluminum casting. The molten alloy forms the ZX-10R engine block.
The cast engine block cools under controlled conditions. This prevents distortion and internal stress.
CNC machines create precision internal engine surfaces. Every dimension is machined to exact tolerances.
Precision machining prepares the crankcase for internal components. Every surface must meet strict performance standards.
The forged crankshaft is machined with extreme accuracy. It will convert piston motion into rotational power. Dynamic balancing eliminates unwanted vibration. This ensures smooth, high-speed engine operation.
Lightweight forged pistons are created for high-performance riding. Forging increases strength while reducing weight.
Advanced machining completes the piston geometry. Each piston is built to exact racing specifications. Piston rings are carefully installed. They ensure proper compression and oil control. Connecting rods link the pistons to the crankshaft. Precision assembly ensures reliable power transfer. The balanced crankshaft is fitted into the engine case. This forms the heart of the ZX-10R power plant. Piston assemblies are carefully installed. Each cylinder is prepared for high-performance combustion.
The rotating assembly is now complete. The engine is ready for cylinder head installation.
The cylinder head receives precision machining. Airflow passages are optimized for maximum performance. Valve seats are installed to withstand extreme temperatures. Precision alignment ensures efficient combustion sealing. Valve guides provide smooth valve movement. They are critical for long-term engine durability. Lightweight titanium valves improve engine response. They allow the engine to operate at extremely high RPM. Valve springs control valve motion at high speeds. They prevent valve float during aggressive riding. The camshafts control intake and exhaust valve timing. Accurate positioning is essential for engine performance. The timing system synchronizes pistons and valves. Perfect timing is vital for engine efficiency. Electronic systems verify precise valve timing. Every engine must meet strict factory standards. The completed cylinder head joins the engine block. This creates the engine's sealed combustion chambers. The lubrication system is installed to protect engine components. The ZX-10R engine is now ready for gearbox assembly. The transmission gears are inspected for perfect accuracy. Each gear is prepared for smooth power delivery. Transmission gears are mounted onto hardened steel shafts. This assembly forms the heart of the gearbox.
Shift forks guide gear engagement. The selector drum controls gear changes precisely.
Automated testing verifies flawless gear operation. Every shift must be smooth and accurate. The completed gearbox is installed inside the engine. It will transfer power efficiently to the rear wheel. The clutch system controls power transfer. Each component is inspected before assembly. Clutch plates are stacked in a precise sequence. This ensures smooth engagement and durability. The pressure plate secures the clutch assembly. Proper torque ensures reliable operation. Protective engine covers seal internal components. The engine assembly is nearly complete. Every ZX-10R engine undergoes performance testing. Only approved engines continue to final assembly.
The finished chassis enters the final assembly line. It is prepared to receive the high-performance engine.
The tested engine is transported to the assembly station. Precision alignment is critical for installation.
The swing arm supports the rear suspension system. It is inspected before installation.
The swing arm supports the rear suspension system. It is inspected before installation. The swing arm is mounted with precision bearings. It allows controlled rear wheel movement. The rear suspension system improves stability and handling. Linkage components are carefully assembled. The rear shock controls suspension movement. It is adjusted for optimal performance. Front forks are filled with precision suspension oil. They provide stability during braking and cornering.
The front suspension is mounted to the chassis. Accurate alignment is essential for handling.
The steering assembly is now complete. The Superbike is ready for wheel installation.
Lightweight aluminum wheels are precision finished. They help improve acceleration and handling. Every wheel undergoes strict dimensional inspection. Only approved components continue to assembly. Performance tires are prepared for installation. They are designed for maximum grip and stability.
The tire is mounted with precision equipment. Proper installation ensures safety at high speeds. Each tire is inflated to precise pressure levels. Correct pressure improves grip and performance. Wheel balancing eliminates vibration during riding. It ensures smooth and stable performance. High-performance brake discs are mounted to the wheels. They provide powerful stopping capability. Brake calipers are inspected for perfect operation. Precision braking is critical for superbike performance. The front wheel is mounted to the suspension system. Precise alignment ensures stable handling.
The rear wheel transfers engine power to the road. Chain alignment is adjusted for maximum efficiency.
The exhaust system is prepared for installation. It is engineered for optimal airflow and power. The exhaust headers channel gases from the engine. They are secured with precise torque values. The complete exhaust system is assembled. It is designed to maximize engine performance. The fuel tank receives a final quality inspection. Its finish must meet premium showroom standards. The fuel pump is installed inside the tank. It will deliver fuel to the engine with precision. The fuel tank is mounted onto the chassis. Fuel delivery connections are secured for reliable operation. High-precision fuel injectors are installed. They provide accurate fuel delivery at all engine speeds.
The throttle body controls airflow into the engine. It is aligned precisely for maximum performance.
The air intake system supplies clean airflow. Efficient filtration protects the high-performance engine. The air intake system is connected to the engine. It is designed to maximize airflow at high speeds.
The main wiring harness distributes power and signals. It forms the motorcycle's electrical backbone.
Electrical connectors link every major system. Secure connections ensure reliable performance. The ECU serves as the motorcycle's electronic brain. It manages fuel, ignition, and performance systems. The TFT dashboard provides critical riding information. Each display is tested before installation. The digital dashboard is installed and activated.
It is now ready to communicate with all onboard systems. The aerodynamic fairings receive a final inspection. Every panel must meet premium finish standards. The front fairing shapes airflow around the motorcycle. It also protects critical electronic components. The side fairings improve aerodynamics and styling. Precise fitment ensures a premium appearance. The tail section completes the motorcycle's aerodynamic profile. Integrated electronics are connected and tested. The seating system is fitted to the motorcycle. Comfort and secure mounting are carefully verified. Modern LED lighting advances visibility and safety. Each lighting function is tested individually. The battery powers all onboard electronic systems. Electrical connections are secured and verified. Advanced diagnostics verify electronic performance. Every sensor and control system is tested. Essential fluids are added to the motorcycle. Each system is prepared for operation. The Kawasaki Ninja ZX-10R comes to life for the first time. Engine systems are monitored during startup. The motorcycle undergoes performance validation. Engine and transmission systems are carefully evaluated. Brake performance is tested to strict standards. Safety remains a top manufacturing priority. Every motorcycle undergoes a final quality review. Only flawless units receive approval.
The ZX-10R has passed all inspections. It is officially approved for delivery.
The Kawasaki Ninja ZX-10R is now complete. From raw materials to a world-class superbike, the manufacturing journey is finished.